Good evening, I am Father Rayappa. I am here in Ecology, Vellore, in India. I'm going to read article number 139 from Laudato Si, Pope's encyclical on ecology and environment. So 139, Pope writes, when we speak of the environment, what we really mean is a relationship existing between nature and the society which lives in it. Nature cannot be regarded as something separate from ourselves or as a mere setting in which we live. We are part of nature, included in it, and thus in constant interaction with it. Recognizing the reasons why a given area is polluted requires a study of the workings of society, its economy, its behavioral patterns, and the way it grasps reality. Given the scale of change, it is no longer possible to find a specific, discrete answer for each part of the problem. It is essential to seek comprehensive solutions which consider the interactions within natural systems themselves and with social systems. We are faced not with two separate crises, one environmental and the other social, but rather with one complex crisis which is both social and environmental. Strategies for a solution demand an integrated approach to combating poverty, restoring dignity to the excluded, and at the same time protecting nature. This is beautiful. That's what Pope writes in article number 139, chapter 4, titled Integral Ecology. Pope is trying to tell us that we have been fragmenting in business as usual model, environment separate, economy separate, society separate. That is business as usual model. But in integral ecology model, Pope is trying to tell you that economy, environment and society all together in one compartment. Don't try to distract. Economy, it has to grow. What about the people? Economy growing, people are staying in poverty and hunger and disease. It is not integral. What about environment? The economy is growing and the environment is degrading. Because for economical growth, you destroy environment. You destroy even society. You kill people, poor people. So that is not acceptable for Pope Francis. He is just telling you, no, economy, society, environment, together. Don't separate. Don't think about economical growth without the society and the environment. In the same way, people, society. So if we want to have anthropocentric motives, only human progress, only humans should flourish, only human future, human development, human progress, everything is human. No, we need economy too. We need compatible economy to everybody, whether it is high economic growth or medium economic growth or low economic growth, we don't care. But it is affordable, it is compatible to everybody, so that kind of economical growth we should have. So people should be included in economical growth. We shouldn't isolate them. At the same time, people should go beyond even economic growth. Every economic growth is for us. What about environment? Only humans should flourish. What about the other creatures? What about the land, water? Actually, humans were flourishing because we are important species. We are the only one species worthy of living on this planet. That's what we understand. And we are special creatures. We have got a brain here. So we don't care the rest of the environment because they don't have consciousness, they don't have brain. So I can abuse, I can take whatever I want. So that is also not right. So the human development, the societal development should include environment, care for the environment and also care for economy. So environment, all together, we develop and we progress. So that is the integral ecology. That is what Pope Francis is telling 139. So when we talk about global warming and climate change, it is not isolated problem. Only global warming, okay, scientific problem. Okay, climate change, it is the problem of the seasons. No, no. They are connected with the economy, society, the societal behavior patterns, because human behavior is a human activity which caused ultimately global warming and climate change. It's integrated. Don't think all these ecological problems are simply they are hanging somewhere. No, they are closely related with our society, with our economy, and with our environment. Because we aimed high, sometimes extreme high economic growth. And people, the standard of living, very high standard of living, greed, we should have cars, big houses, big bank balance, big industry, a big carbon footprint. So this have created global warming and climate change, extinction of species, loss of biodiversity, and issue of water, all these problems. So Pope is trying to tell you that all the problems are connected with these three, and we need to have comprehensive solutions, not like giving a small part of solution. We employ some strategies to solve some loss of biodiversity crisis or issue of water. You build some tanks and you bring some pipelines, the problem is over. No, those are our symptoms. You are addressing the symptoms, but disease is much deeper inside our human heart and consciousness, inside economy, inside environment. So Pope is trying to tell you that we need comprehensive solutions. So economy, environment, and society, and global warming, and climate change, and loss of biodiversity, and issue of water, and extinction of species, and poverty, hunger and disease, drought, famine. Everything is integral. We put all of them together and try to find solutions for all of them. So it is called integral approach. So I think you can understand much better now, and now you can take the hard copy if you have Laudato Si. Also, you have soft copy, PDF file in your computer. You can open it and read article number or paragraph number 139 from the chapter 4, titled Integral Ecology. Happy reading and God bless. Thank you.